Weichai Malaysia Power Plant Project. On the basis of fully considering the local natural environment and engineering power requirements, we complete the equipment set design, workshop guidance design and pipeline and cable construction design. Selected 9 sets of 1,400 kilowatts Weichai generator. The capacity is 12.6 megawatts. The unit adopts Weichai Baduan 16M33 series diesel generator, which has low fuel consumption rate and saves operating costs. The project has a high degree of automation, simple operation, can be started at any time, timely power supply, and safe and reliable operation. It has been running for 12 months since the acceptance, and it is running well now. Whether in road construction sites, or factory production, Weichai generator sets can be used as main power or backup power to provide stable and strong power support for many engineering facilities and maintain sufficient power. As the main power, the power station is suitable for islands, industrial and mining enterprises, offshore platforms, oil fields and other fields. As backup power, can provide emergency power guarantee for critical loads that are not allowed to lose power, such as data centers, office buildings, hospitals, communications, etc.